Hello, welcome to Qi Trader. Below is a detailed introduction to Qi TWAP order. TWAP stands for Time-Weighted Average Price. TWAP automatically breaks down large orders into multiple smaller orders and completes the specified order quantity within the set algorithm duration. This minimizes the market impact of trade while providing a lower average execution price, thereby reducing trading costs. First, click on Column Settings in the order list and add Execution Progress, Benchmark Progress of Execution, Start Time, and End Time to the column settings. Qi TWAP has three partition modes: Default, Interval, and Max Display. Let's place a buy order with the mode of Default. After filling in quantity, select the start and end times, but cross-trading day settings are not allowed. We refer to the interval between the start and end times as the execution time. Note that the minimum order interval is 1 second. If the number of seconds in the execution time is less than the total number of orders, then the order interval will be 1 second. If the number of seconds in the execution time is greater than the total number of orders, then the order interval will be greater than 1 second. Let's see the mode of trading prices. There are two modes, Default and Aggressive. Default means that when the order starts to be executed, it begins with the quoted price in the market. If the order has not been filled by the end of the execution plan time, it will then be placed at the counterparty price plus 3 ticks. Aggressive means that when the order starts to be executed, it is placed at the counterparty price. If the order has not been filled by the end of the execution plan time, it will then be placed at the counterparty price plus 3 ticks. Please note that if there is no initial price when placing an order, the following sequence will be used to select a price, in an attempt to ensure the smooth execution of the TWAP order. That is, counterparty price minus 1 tick. Latest price. Previous settlement price. Settlement price. Opening price. Closing price. If there is still no initial order price after completing the above price selection operations, the TWAP order will be halted. Click on Buy. The Execution Progress column shows the actual execution progress of the order. If there is a difference between it and the Benchmark Progress, it will be highlighted with a red background color. The benchmark progress shows the expected execution progress of the order, such as the quantity that should have been completed at the current time. Clicking on this value allows you to see the detailed execution plans for this TWAP order. Opening the execution plans, it is visible that the execution time is 30 seconds, and the total order quantity is 10, which means the number of seconds in the execution time is greater than the total number of orders. Qi TWAP placed an order every 3 seconds. Let's place a sell order with the partition mode set to Default. The total order quantity is 20 and the execution time is 10 seconds. That is, the number of seconds in the execution time is less than the total order quantity. Opening the execution plans, it is visible that the order interval is 1 second, with one order being executed every second and each order consists of 2 lots. Next, let's discuss the partition mode of Interval. Let's place another sell order. Interval requires filling in 6 consecutive numbers, representing hours, minutes, and seconds. Filling it out in this way indicates a time interval of 10 seconds. Since the execution time is 60 seconds, orders can be placed 6 times. Click on Sell. Opening the execution plans, you can see that the 10 orders have been split into 6 separate order placements. Next, let's discuss the partition mode of Max Display. The total order quantity is 20, and the quantity percentage is 20%. The percentage can be filled with numbers from 1 to 100, and the total order will be divided into multiple batches of orders according to the percentage. The order interval is calculated by dividing the total execution time by the number of order batches. The execution time is set to 60 seconds. Click on Sell. Opening the execution plans, you can see that the order is divided into 5 batches, with each batch consisting of 4 lots, and the order placement interval is 12 seconds. Let's focus on the situation where max display mode does not result in an integer order. The total order quantity is 19, total execution time is 60 seconds, and the percentage is 20%. Click on Buy. Opening the execution plans, it is visible that the order placement occurred 7 times and the actual execution time is 56 seconds. That's all for the introduction of QIT TWAP order. Thank you for watching. We look forward to you experiencing our product. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time.